Alright, what's up guys? This is Nico here with FightFearless.com. I want to go over Jiu-Jitsu back rolls with you guys today. Now what that is using the wall. We're going to use the wall to our advantage. Pushing off the wall should help you guys with your back rolls. If you're a beginner at Jiu-Jitsu and you just want to learn how to back roll, having trouble in class, well, this is a perfect video for you. If you're advanced and you know, have been doing Jiu-Jitsu for a while, well, this might be just a fun piece to put into your regimen at home for your practice. Okay, so let's go ahead and start out. We're going to start out with the wall. When we come to the wall, you can start out on it sideways like this, laying back, then turning your feet up. Okay, so starting off, just go ahead and push your hips up because we want to get this warm up of our shoulders, working into our neck and to our side. So if I'm looking to the left, I want to go over my left shoulder. This is because I'm going to open some space up for my head. So I'm not just rolling back on my head. Look over the shoulder so you're more so on the shoulder as you come over. Okay, if I go to my left, I'm going to use my left foot, okay, and then I'm just going to try to touch it there. I might have to push off for a second, touch, and then come right back to the wall. And then you'd switch and do the other side. So now I go over my right, I look over my right shoulder, try to stay off of my head, and then I push off to touch and come right back, okay? Preferably, as you come back, you're slow and controlled, you're working your core. But either way, pushing back, touch the floor, and roll. You're gonna really feel it here in your core. If you can't get back, well, it's just a drill that you can in the future. Okay, so right here again, one more time, I'm gonna push all the way over this time. So as I push over, go all the way over, keep my hands down, and come all the way through to your back roll. Front roll comes all the way back to the wall. Okay, one more time on the other side. Oh, excuse me. Right hand, right foot, right side. Right foot, right side, all the way over. And then roll all the way through till your head is up. Tuck your head, you should roll right back into place. Okay, guys? To come down, just roll to the side, push up with your hand, and we'll be back in position. Okay? So thank you guys for watching, tuning in. FightFearless.com. Please subscribe with us down below. Check out all our other videos on boxing, kickboxing, jiu-jitsu, and yoga, even into Tai Chi. I'll see you guys soon on the next one. Thank you so much for your likes. Fight Fearless.